How to solve WhatsApp banned problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can solve WhatsApp banned account problem, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If your WhatsApp account is banned for some reason, it's most likely because you violated WhatsApp community guidelines. If you'd like to unban it, all you can do is you can just try to re-log in back into your account. When you re-log in back into your account, if it lets you log in, that's absolutely fine. If it doesn't, then you can simply follow the appeal, right, to appeal the decision. But if you don't see those type of pop-up or anything, you can open your browser, go to whatsapp.com/contact in order to contact WhatsApp. I'll also make sure to drop a link below so you can click on that link. Once you're here, what you need to do is just go to WhatsApp Messenger support and tap on contact us if you use personal WhatsApp or business WhatsApp over here. So just tap on contact us option. Once you tap on contact us over here, you can simply select phone number. So make sure to enter your phone number here. Once you enter your phone number, you can simply enter your email and re-enter your email address. Make sure to enter the phone number of which your WhatsApp account was banned, by the way. And after that, you can simply select enter your message below. Simply let them know that you are 100% sure you didn't violate any of WhatsApp community guidelines. Your account has been accidentally banned. So you can just tell that it could have been a mistake on their part. Do not be rude, as they're going to get irritated. Just be polite and let them ask them if they can remove the ban. If they can give you valid reasons that you violated community guidelines, that definitely means you have violated community guidelines. If not, then you will be able to recover your account. This way you can solve banned WhatsApp problem. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.